10 Little Robots by Mike Brownlow and Simon Rickerty. 10 little robots, gleaming, sparkly new. Power on, lights blink, they wonder what to do. This factory looks exciting. Shall we take a peep? 10 little robots, all say beep. 10 little robots miss a warning sign. Nee-naahing goes the siren. Now there are 9. 9 little robots stumble through a gate. Whoops! Mind the slippy oil. Now there are 8. 8 little robots. It's hot, just like an oven. Ker-boom! Goes the engine room. Now there are 7. 7 little robots dodge the crashing bricks. Choo-choo! Goes the tiny train. Now there are 6. 6 little robots running for their lives. Thump! Go the crusher's hammers. Now there are 5. 5 little robots fear the furnace roar. Clang! Goes the magno grab. Now there are 4. 4 little robots trying to wriggle free. Boing! Goes a flying spring. Now there are 3. 3 little robots above the molten brew. Crackle, fizzle, go the sparks. Now there are 2. 2 little robots duck the laser gun. Buzz, whines the heli drone. Now there's only 1. 1 little robot dangling from a rope. Can he save the others? Mustn't give up hope. Fighting through the wreckage, climbing through the mess. Plug the holes, fix the pipes. Can he mend it? Yes.